next we will learn about a keyword called static. We have three things in static: static member, static method, and static block. Okay, static member is a global variable, always run first. It gets memory only once in the class area at the time of the loading. Okay, static members are considered to be very advantageous for programs because of better memory management. Okay, you declare a variable as static, it takes lesser memory compared to your ordinary variables. That is why they say static has better memory management capability. Okay, then you have static method, which can be called directly from outside the class without the dot operator. Just have everything down. We will see it with the help of programs. And then you even have static block. Static block is also called static initialization block, or SIB. SIB. It is executed before the main. It is executed before the main. Please have all the notes down, and then we will go directly into a program to see all the three. Okay, Joshni, let me know once you're finished writing.
Yes, ma'am.
You're finished writing. Nikhil, have you finished the writing part? Nikhil? Nikhil? Nidin, have you finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So can I do programs now? Simran, can I start with the programming? Simran, can I start to do a program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay, we'll have a program. We will have a program. I'll just delete off all these things. Okay, okay, I'll go for a simple program. I'll go for a simple program. Let's say static, static 1. Okay, we'll see one or two programs in static. Okay. Now, as I very much told you, static variables are considered to be global variables. They are considered to be global variables. You can have static variables outside your main. Okay, look here. This is before my main, no? Inside the class, I can have it. Let's say x is equal to 10. I can even have another variable, static y. Okay, one is initialized, one is not initialized. I consider it to be a global variable. Okay, these are static variables. They should proceed with the keyword called static. Okay, and when we run it, we will see how it is being executed. Okay, now together with, we'll see many things together over here. We will see static variables and static functions. We'll see both together, static variables and static functions. Okay, now static functions should proceed with the word static. Main is a static function. Okay, main is a static function. I'm having another static function also. Let's say I simply give static void func. Okay, I'm having one more function, static void. Okay, and let that function be over there. I'm not planning to write anything over there. Okay, hope this much you have written. Now let me have my main program. Okay, I'm going to write away system.out.println. Main block is running. Main block is running, and I'm calling my function over here. Function, let's say 20. Function 20. So here I will write int a. I'll have Control C, Control V. Okay. I will have, I'm just simply doing a display. X is being displayed. Okay. In case I'm running out of time, Send me a link. We will continue with this and finish off. Control C. Okay. I'll have Control X is displayed. My Y is displayed. My A is displayed. X, Y, A. Okay. I'm just displaying function. I am just displaying. Okay. This I call it a static function. This I call it a static function. Now we will do even one more thing together. You can have something called a static block. SIB. Static initialization block. Static initialization block is nothing. Simply some statements. Simply some statements. You need not give a function name or anything. Okay. You simply write many statements over here. Why you write these statements? You want it to be executed before the main. Okay. We've always learned that main executes first. Isn't it, Joseph Renoy? Joseph Renoy. We always learn that main is executed first in the program. Okay. But in Java, before main, things can be executed. Before the main, things can be executed. Any number of lines of code can be executed before main. Only thing is, you should be giving it inside a static block. You call this a static block. You give anything over here, it will be executed before the main. Okay, I'll simply write over here static block running so that you can get to know what happens. I write static block running, and then okay, I have my Y, isn't it? I'll just x into 2. Okay, I'll just give Y is equal to x into 2. Okay, is the program okay for you? I've got 2 static variables. These act as my global variables. These act as my global variables. Okay. I have a function over here which is using X and Y. Because these people are global, it will be taken in. I even have a static block which has some code. Okay. I even have a main block which is calling this particular function. Is this much okay for you? Joseph Renoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Rahul Bijoy, are you getting it all what I wrote? Okay, I'm just trying to show you what is a static function, what is a static block, and what is a static variable. Static variables are global. Static variables. I will now save my program. File, save as static1.java. Static1.java. I will try running my program. Okay. Java C static1.java. Static Y. I didn't give int Y. Sorry. Static int Y. Okay. Java C. Okay. Java static 1. Okay. Now look here. Look here. My static block is running first. You remember my static block? I gave a SOP over there. Joseph Renoy, do you remember
Yes,
that? I gave a static block SOP to display static block running. After that, only main block is running. Okay. So whatever you write in the keyword static, it will be executed before your main. Are you getting me? It will be executed before your main. Can I come back to my program? Okay, look here. X is displayed 10. Y is displayed 20. A is also displayed as 20. Can I come back? Can I come back to my program?
Yes,
okay. Now let me take my program. Okay. Now look here. Static block happened first. Then only my main block happened. Are all of you agreeing with it? Okay. So static block, it always gets executed before your main program. Now, when you compile your program, what happens is the compiler searches for anything with static. It searches whether there are any statics in your program. So look here, it starts from the beginning, it starts from here, static 1, it checks. This happens first. Okay, ആദ്യം കമ്പൈലർ ഈ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്സിനെ പിടിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ സ്റ്റാറ്റിക് എഴുതിയേക്കുന്ന സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്സിനെയാണ് ആദ്യം പിടിക്കുന്നത്. എന്നുവെച്ചേ മെയിനെ കയറി പിടിക്കുള്ളൂ. മെയിൻ്റെ സ്റ്റാറ്റിക് അവസാനം കയറി പിടിക്കുള്ളൂ. ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? Okay, static variables are taken first. Okay, so first I will take this variable. Are you able to get me? I'll write it first over here. This is how the execution happens. Okay, first this variable is taken and x is initialized to 10. Are you able to get me, Joseph Renoy?
Yes,
Static things are picked out first by the compiler. Okay, then static int y, but y has got no value, so you know my code, it goes താഴേക്ക് പോവും. ഒരു സ്റ്റാറ്റിക് void function കണ്ടു, അതിനെ പിടിക്കുന്നില്ല കാരണം അത് വിളിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. അത് വിളിച്ചിട്ടില്ലാത്തത് കാരണം അത് പിടിക്കത്തില്ല. I understand all of you know Malayalam. I can understand Malayalam. Renoy ക്ലാസ്സിൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും മലയാളം മനസ്സിലാവില്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, സായിപ്പന്മാരുണ്ടോന്ന് അറിയാനായിരുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, എനിവേ, ഇത് ആദ്യം പിടിക്കും. ഇതിപ്പോ പിടിക്കത്തില്ല. ഇത് പിടിക്കത്തില്ല കാരണം ഇത് വിളിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. ഓക്കെ, പക്ഷേ പിന്നെ താഴേക്ക് വരുമ്പോ ഈ സംഭവം കണ്ടോ, സ്റ്റാറ്റിക്. ഇതൊരു സ്റ്റാറ്റിക് ബ്ലോക്കാ. പിന്നെ പിടിക്കുന്നത് ഇതിനെ പിന്നെ പിടിക്കും. Are you getting me? Second, this is called. പിന്നെയാണ് മെയിൻ പിടിക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. പിന്നെയാണ് മെയിൻ പിടിക്കുന്നത്. മെയിൻ പിടിച്ച് താഴേക്ക് വന്നപ്പോ ഫംഗ്ഷനെ വിളിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടേ, പിന്നെ അതേ വന്നിട്ട് ഇതിനെ പിടിക്കും. Okay, this is how execution happens when you have static. Are you able to understand? Okay, static variables with initializations are taken up first. Then static methods or functions, static block ഉണ്ടോ എന്നാണ് ആദ്യം നോക്കുന്നത്. സ്റ്റാറ്റിക് ബ്ലോക്ക് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിനെയാണ് ആദ്യം പിടിക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. Okay, static block, then the main, and then anything else. And then anything else. Okay? So are you getting, okay, we even saw static blocks over here. We did everything together. We even saw static block. Okay, so please have the program. Please have the program. Please have the program. Will you be uploading the slides into Moodle? Yes, of course, Matthew. I will be uploading, but my slides, they don't have much content. I am very poor in slides, that is why. Anyway, what I have, I will surely upload. What I have, I will surely upload. Okay, Matthew? Okay. Matthew was asking me whether I'll upload slides. I will put it. I will put it today. I think first week slides were put up. Okay, please excuse with my spelling mistakes, because you know, when you type, spelling mistakes will happen. Anyway, are the three things fine? Static variable, static block, and static functions. Okay, static function, the best example is main. Main is a static function. Main is a static function.